The deadly Ebola epidemic in West Africa. It continues to spread, and its effects are being felt in this country. U.S. officials are urging Americans not to travel to the three countries hardest hit by the virus: Liberia, Guinea, and Sierra Leone. U.S. airports are taking precautions. This is a live look at Newark, where travelers are being monitored for signs of the virus. Newark, JFK, and other international airports in this country have been ordered to quarantine anyone showing symptoms. CBS 2's Dr. Max Gomez says doctors and immigration authorities are also being put on alert. Doc.
That's right, Maurice. Ebola is a type of viral disease called hemorrhagic fever because it causes severe flu-like symptoms followed by internal bleeding and multiple organ failure. Health officials are split whether this could become a global pandemic or cautiously optimistic that the deadly disease can be contained. Security forces went house to house today looking for Ebola patients and others exposed to the disease in Sierra Leone's capital, while several schools and borders in Liberia have been closed. The World Health Organization announced it is launching a $100 million response plan, which includes sending more medical personnel to the region, including Sierra Leone. The CDC says it will send an additional 50 experts to help with the crisis African officials are warning could spread.
This virus, if it is not taken care of, will be a global pandemic.
This is the largest Ebola outbreak on record. More than 1,300 cases spread across 4 nations in West Africa. 729 people have died, including one American who was working in Liberia. 2 other Americans volunteering in Liberia, Dr. Kent Brantley and Nancy Wrightball, are in serious condition. There is no vaccine or drug for Ebola, but the missionary group Wrightball belongs to says she's trying an experimental treatment as her condition gets worse. Ebola is spread through direct contact with infected bodily fluids. Symptoms can take 2 to over 3 weeks to appear, although it appears that a person isn't contagious until symptoms appear.
The particular strain that's going through Africa right now has been reported to be killing about 60% of the people that are infected.
The Peace Corps is pulling all 340 of its volunteers from the region after 2 of them may have been exposed.
Thank you, Eddie.
Now, some health experts say Ebola would not be as deadly in the U.S. because of better supportive care and especially because of better isolation techniques that would limit the spread of the virus.